If what I'm saying to you right now is hitting you, you need to be at our 2-day event, Decode the Financial Matrix. We're bringing together some of the most powerful voices in wealth, crypto, and consciousness, and we're giving away over $10,000 in crypto and NFTs just for showing up. You'll hear from thought leaders like Regan Hillier, Billy Carson, Jenny Gordienko, Mike Rashid, and myself, each of us sharing the raw, unfiltered stories of how we broke out of the financial matrix. This event is more than just information. It's a blueprint for the new financial system. You'll see how we're positioning ourselves, where the hidden opportunities are, and how to claim your seat at the new table of wealth. This isn't about hype. This is about truth, strategy, and action in real time. Click the link down below in the description. It's only $5, and it might just change your entire future. You've taken the red pill. Now it's time to decode the financial matrix.